Guys, look at my barbecue chicken breast Jamaican style. Yes, man. I went to Jamaica, and I got this season. They call it season to the bone. Yes. And I got the Jamaican jerk season and my all-purpose season. And I came back and I decided I'm going to cook some chicken breast. Normally don't cook chicken breast by itself, but I decided I'm going to do a thing. And so I get out my chicken breast the same and I wash it down with my vinegar and my lime juice and I slice it up and I season it with my season to the bone and my jerk season and my all-purpose. Yes, guys, along with my garlic and my ginger and my honey and my thyme and my scallion and my pepper, and I let it stay there and marinate for a while, and then I put it in the oven, you see, and let it cook. After a while, I had in some shredded carrot and some shredded Irish and some colored bell peppers. You should smell the place. And after that, I mix up my jerk sauce and some barbecue sauce with some ketchup, a little lime juice and a little orange juice, and I put that over the chicken. You should smell the place with the flavor from all those Jamaican seasoning. And it stay in the oven for 5 more minutes. Look at the colors, guys. The color is so beautiful, not to mention the taste. And I have it with a little salad and a piece of bami I brought up from Jamaica. Or you can have it with some rice also, or staple of your choice. You need to go try it. Check it out. It's finger licking in the house right now. All right, catch you next time. Bakimar.